Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can set image duration in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and if we want to set image duration, we have to go to the CapCut setting. We can click on menu and then select settings, and in the settings we need to go to the edit menu. And then here you'll be able to customize the image duration. You can increase the duration or decrease the duration. It's up to you. And as you can see guys, that my current image duration is 5 seconds. So I'm going to reduce it to 3 seconds, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, and let's try using this photo. I'm going to add this photo to my timeline, and as you can see guys, that the duration is 3 seconds according to the duration we have just selected in the setting. And I'm going to add this photo as well. Okay, it's also 3 seconds. And okay guys, that's all the way to set image duration in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.